Mwanchomo rigereria obotuko no bwakane asomo tinyuga okano mwako yiga bwechiri bubere meronge bere na isano nemo ritukorie Jumamosi no gosaba kwanenga kwanyara ko bakugutwara kinga gichingi yaso kubwatia na gotega remeroberio ya gendrira sembeo yensoko TV ne kinga kibono ngo kwarigania semesa yama yakuru ensoko ensa maso botuko begato sange na korigeria nararia ya aenekiwe kurwase chinsemo au nadia bali kibaito bamangana basangiriri kurwase mambi yaringe ntambe nchire kwa Clinton Ondigia seribaga yetimu ngome wankwanya kurwase studio ya kabere gochia koene kya buna marigine chibicha kugochirara senchirengia twagosabiro karansi ko benento kurbono wika omweria senge nchemesa mayakuru ensoko ensa eyamo achakirebo. Karibu sana, mwancho murigeria wana botuko bwara tuko chakana robotiro ko bwatia so kabiro mwaziri wechiseme Mheshimiwa Ezekiel Machogu niko bono harure okoboria uchiase abananchi kurwa sorongorwa gusi kone kibuna nkomo bwate sibaro mokonyi bo murai wiki ya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i asegangaye yukorie kergo kyoborai bwense ka kwana samatanga yamo aene kiwase kenyoro kya mokoroino se wodi ya Masimba bunge nyaribari Masabe county ya Kisii Machogu niko bono atebire Matiang'i nere hobwate ebyorokereri byonsi biribira chikone kyabuna insi ya Kenya nechi gutwara oborai obuya niko chinga kecho Machogu aira chinga kecho na komochia oborai bwe serikali ya county ya Kisii asugutaikirania emeroberio yoborai obuya na magendro asabana inchi
kiagara abantu bamintumbatebire ntekemo uburaye karobo gutantana igobo gusariyense unayigurani muri cyo gutantana woro esene saregete shakarugere keregento ko binya gitari ko keregento chishan na keregento ya sarekire egento kera akonyo warayo boronge rero shakurigere county ya Kisii asemia kene chibesa chia chiro zaidi ya billion is 60 billion Origeria bushengi mamuno kuru South Mugirango kiarango tarande kere konyoro asiti constituency chetu kianda endonke yora aragengalia chimilioni 5 nchitumegete asoko na chigo tebekana iro kama Masimba nyagitari itonga nchi atete milioni 20 nona tumejwa karigori milioni 20 asoko chenjia mabati yaria nchigo ikanone milioni 2 egiyo robo ibo sembolo boyo Kaki itayo wiwa mwasuiwo uchimotua mwarore Kenya nganga kiere kero yo mubata maiso kero yo mwatega ramato noro Kenya itunga nga kiere mwiso ne ntware ngabo ikoyo no mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngotara tore twaeta Kenya na Kenya na were uchituru chenga embeombu ye kugusa embeombu yere ngwanja mwale ngeto sabiro mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i kimwesi pingwa nte mwana ngeto sabere Fred Okengo Matiang'i asale nga Kenya moeti naba gusiyo ndeta atigara isikemia semia mwanjire twensi pito base Fred kumuranche tusabere mumuroria kiagera ocha konyoro mo gusiyo goikeke wangu keria na hena batura ile myaka gusinerenga tutara nyoro muntu uneke wangu ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i Kenya yote yonsi itabete yarorenga asobo kongwa ikirense na kasongo oyora burwali eliogori ya Kenya ningo Matiang'i abana baito bali bakore gishukuru batarabwata chikura tukabona mubwate chikura asobonge garoto gwita tarehe 8 tarehe 9 mwaka ugocho mutinyo 8 uneta mmoja wake kura 20p twakisena twakire kura asomwano ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i
tukoskabasyo mwancho murigeria ya mateyamo kurwase kenyoro gya karantini kegotoka se wodi ya Gesima semwe bunge ya Kitutu Masabe county ya Nyamira niko bayasokire na gusababo konyi bugwakane bilia nyagitari na boigo kwene kya nkoroberia baremeroberio yokomwenia omwana obo oyokwete kubwatekana noburoire obubutamanyikaini nyagosira Lois niko bono harobere gochigoso ase university iri gochigokonya enka yabo korende akanyara kobekwa nse noburoire obubwairire ya matiaye konia kiregento erio kumurwaria korende akanyara kobaka gosiro bogima bwaye kagendrete konyoro bubwenia
mwana yakisye cyanga gise cyamara gobaiga agasuka kucheparaga kuikinyanya sese karwa kamaruma kaya muruma nkana abere ngumure nyagitari amure nyagitari pon bako mwana yonsire bono nkwanja gaki monkonye epiri nabwata buyachire iguru nabere siringi 100 bono nchandikite n'abana bandi mbale bariga iga abo bakorete kisukuru bari kaga iga konyoro oyo osirire nere nategemetere ende gaki konyoro eitira matemwa agende university ajigontenerio mukyoyone obugima bwane menyete iga nabete ngosomia mwana omono sana chibesiga goti chikamina bono chibese nabwato bokongu chiankong'eire bono nabo bwato bokongu
omwana oito omwancho okorokoroisi mwana oyo niga akorete form 4 2025 akanyora P+ twabwate ritumaini ng'ase nkeye iga nanyare koboko yakonya ase amatukari mutu
omogaka oyo twarire obokongu enkeye omwana oni gachagete kurwara mapema omoire sukuru omoire sukuru utaka yani onatumire noinche bweka na mutumire chibesa agenda nando kwa makisi agende sukuru oirana okurwa obwena nando oirana in fact otumire chibesa onirie ebintu onirie roche matabori okorire chusi ataka koni oborimo in fact agatangaza oborimo nche namokonya akachikuruseria omwana oyo nyagitari asarenge agataka koni naende para nande nkamoa 20,000 in fact otwarire obokongu utatiga bona atamanya gokwana ekia aseng'encha atantanire
omwana otorwareire twabeire togoturu nore mbotuko ng'a yabeire bobe omwarimu agwake eripoti kira rituko mwana oyo ogendereirie omwana otokonya noyo okorokwa okwanire abono iga nero otokonyire ebinto ebinga obikonyete konyora ebinto byani byarire
bono efamily eye yaonirie everything gaki enare gosaba amateni oka korunya gitari no mwana oyo achagete kurwara mapema paka bono iga amateni abwato inche mnandugireti paka yakabese kibyombe
gosaba serikali gosaba babusonya bonsi kiro yamagaki atokonya so muchuyo asataraka mose anchire cherusa matogoro minto na anchire kaki motokonya kaki aso muchuyo kaki mocho monkonyera abana bariga iga bandi baitete biya na monkonye epire nyagitari asiringi 100
musike John Mose omusike swanya kaki enkeye abanta family eye yaoni paka yaoni amabati kuri nyomba chusi bone namba yesimi 07 11 520 608 elieta liko chanyangaresi John Orucho
Tukoska busio asorobo turondo mwanjo murigeri muraibu kiama gia DCP Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua niko bona mochirie ambokero kyo muraibu wense William Ruto kurobeye miroberio yoko babeka biara umurikyo botamba se wizara y'inguru cy'umuriro uyo manyakaine bunda Mohamed Liban umutendri w'ikyombekeri kya EPRA Director General Daniel Kipto nabo igo umutendri we company ya Kenya Pipeline Joe Sang Gachagua niko bono atebire batatabo niko babekirwe biara kubwatekana kiringa niko bangete kubwatia amachiko kurwase oborai wigoro aso kubwatekana nemiroberio yokugoro kwa mabuta ya petrol kwatira ase serikali go chia serikali ende chinse chiri cha Middle East asebona atebire umuraibu wense nigabwate sababu chia ebene basona chi company echo musike Gachagua nigarenge ko yaine kyaiga ase omuiga bukweranira mbuya mono kwegati ya aba MCA bari bachoretwe inse ye kiama ya DCP aso bachore boke waita.
William Ruto came up with something called G2G in matters petroleum. G2G means government to government. But there is nothing like that. It is Kenyan companies buying from the Middle East. Two companies, Gulf Energy, owned by somebody from Meru called Jogu, a proxy of Kasongo, and Starbucks, owned by Chebet, the one who grabbed the hotel for Rafael Tuju, again a proxy of William Ruto, are the ones who have been doing business for petroleum. So as we are anticipating a crisis because of the challenges in Iran, these peers for petroleum, the CEO EPRA and the CEO Kenya Pipeline, decided because G2G is a fixed price, and William Ruto wants it that way because he makes a lot of profit. They decided to get cheaper fuel so that they can help cushion the people of Kenya from price hike. And then the people who run the G2G on behalf of William Ruto reported to him that these people have brought competition with you and you are going to lose your profit. That is why they have been arrested. Again, the CEO of Kenya Pipeline, Sang, he has already been replaced with somebody who is acting. William Ruto is very happy because the man is his tribesman. But he did a deal with Museveni. Kenya Pipeline, after the people of Kenya refused to buy Kenya Pipeline, Museveni has demanded that the CEO of Kenya Pipeline must be a Ugandan. So huyu Sang amekamatwa to create room for Ugandan to be the CEO of Kenya Pipeline. So we are saying let the MD Kenya Pipeline, let the MD EPRA, and let the PS go home. The only crime they have committed is to deny William Ruto more profit for the benefit of the people of Kenya. We also want to be fair to those officers. Those are patriotic Kenyans who wanted fuel to come at a reasonable price because G2G is fixed and the profit goes to William Ruto. Kila mtu aweke kwa latiri apimiwe kazi yake. Me, I don't agree with William Ruto on many issues, but in this one, he is spot on. I agree with you, William Ruto, 100%. Kila mtu aweke kwa latiri. Wale wazazi uliua watoto wao ya Gen Z, wanangojea latiri wakuweke. They'll judge you for killing their children. Sindio? Wakristo wale ulipiga kanisa ya Mweki PCA, kanisa ya Kariobangi PCA, kanisa ya SK Wetima, watakupimia kilo zako vile umesema. They'll judge you. Hao mama mboga na bodaboda uliwadanganya utawainua, ataweka pesa kwa mfuko kuliko waweke ukawatoa. Wanangoja wakupime na latiri. It is true. Hawa watu wafanyikazi wa serikali na wa private sector, you have raided their payslips. They are waiting to put you on the way.
Mwancho murigeria tutigaritase engane iyo niko bono mujumbe bwense moye bunge ya Kiharu Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro kagokwana nabarikia mangana kurwa service yae niko nere harure ebirengere byae na goteba sikeribu na serikali ya Kenya nero ere nemirobirio yokugora maguta ye petrol kurwa isiko yense igokogania nkorororo serikali iyo iyo hebeke emirobirio yogochia kwene kiabuna amagori tari gochiko kina igentokira chie komokongera omwananchi wa kawaida.
CEO and the Kenya Pipeline and the PS for energy, and especially the petroleum part. It has very little to do with the welfare of Kenyans. It has everything to do with wamekula chakula ya mzee. And Kenyans need to know this clearly so that we remove the veil out of whatever it is happening in our fuel sector. The second thing is that, as Kenyans are aware, there is a program called G2G. G2G is basically a business, and it has been since it started. And it is a business entrenched in patronage. It is a business done by the same people in government. And that is why you realize the same company handling G2G, 75% of the fuel that comes into Kenya. It is the same company that is dealing with exploiting our Turkana oil. It is not a coincidence. It is because G2G, the way it was fashioned, is a cabal of patronage. And it has percolated from downstream to midstream to upstream now. And that is why it is the same people who are exploiting our fuel resources in Turkana. And of course, by taking advantage of our country and by misusing power. It is very insensitive that when other countries are dealing on how to alleviate the matter and to deal with the issue of fuel supplies and prices to benefit their citizens, that in Kenya, the leadership is taking this crisis as a way of entrenching their same personal interests in the fuel sector. As I said when I was starting, the people who are arrested has nothing to do with Kenyans, normal Kenyans. They have everything to do with doing a business that is a domain of the people higher than them in the pecking order of the executive.
Mwanchumuliria haya nigagendreta ase chinse chigendete kobwera hoguche gukina kwa maguri ya mabuta hasa matukari busio kubwatakana nechisegi echo chigendreta ase rogongo rori rwa Middle East. Togosuka busio bono togosoa saya kubwatakana na siasa se umurai buso munyakiro gobwe kiama kia ODM boigoro mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nigo bono aenekire chinkuma echo chiabeire chikoenekirwa buna nigo kubagekana kuri ase kiama gia ODM asatebire barabwo buna abaraiba ODM nabo igo ababwatani be kiama kyo nigo bare amo nigo boigo akwanire emirobiri agendete kobekwa yogocha koeneke chinkwana chogwikirana okoigwana busio bochorio bonegatie kiama kyo kia ODM na keri kia UDA nigo chigendete asatebire ODM nigera chio so chinkwana echo namaganio ali arengete kiama kyo hasebono boigo gukwana mugavana bwe county Kakamega Fernandez Baraza nigatebire orogongolo Western Kenya nigo rore maiga ye kiama kyo asatebire bono busio bochorio bonene ODM nigera chio gutwara chinguru chinene kigima.
Kakamega is locked in ODM. Na yule ambaye ako na ufunguo pale Kakamega ni Italanyi. Italanyi ni yours truly. So mimi nataka kuhakikishia kwamba Kakamega na Western yote kwa ujumla chama kwamba na uongozi tuko tayari, tuko imara kulinda chama cha ODM.
Hapa leo ya kwamba chama cha ODM ni chama cha kitaifa. Si chama cha Wajaluo ama Wakisii ama Waluya ama Wacoast peke yao, ni chama ya kila mahali hapa Kenya. Na pia kuna wale ambao wanafikiria kama kuna huyu jamaa ama yule mwingine ati amekasirika ati chama imesambaratika huko mkoa wa Magharibi. Umetuhakikishia hapa ya kwamba chama imesimama. Na mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba kama mwenyekiti wa kitaifa tutasimama pamoja na wewe na viongozi wengine wa chama kutoka Magharibi, tusimamishe chama mkoa wa Magharibi, tusimamishe chama tupate viti vya chama chetu. Tutasimama pamoja. Na wana Nairobi pia wako hapa. Mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba Nairobi ni ODM. Na tusilegeze kamba hata kidogo. Tusimame na chama pale Nairobi. Na sisi pia kama viongozi wa kitaifa wa chama tutasimama na nyinyi. Chama isimame pale Nairobi. Na vile Gavana Baraza amesema, sisi tunaingia katika mazungumzo. Lakini ile jambo ambayo lazima ieleweke ni kwamba hatuwezi wachilia viti ambazo tuko nazo kama chama cha ODM.
Toska bosio mwanchumo rigaria asoroboti ronde nigo bono museneta bwe county ya Vihiga Mheshimiwa Godfrey Ososi oyibego kabeire homokonyi bumurai bwe kiama gia ODM wiko kurusikwa kwae kubwatakana negikaro ya SNDC kia negetigwe umutienyi oyeta nigo bono Ososi asokire na gotaba ngarigo atari gochia kwameria hokona choko we kiombe gyo kiama gia ODM komburusia rase bona atebire nari tayari kwerusanania kurwase kiama kyo na kwene kiabuna nkupwatira nare na baraibande korosi kiama kyo kirache komokonya omwananchi.
My statement is very weighty, so I do not want to talk about ODM because the more you talk about ODM, the more you make them relevant. The team of Linda Ground, I do not want to make any references to them. I came here to meet the elders, the Luya elders, and we have consulted with them, we have spoken with them, because they said that they wanted to hear from me what Godfrey Ososi and what is happening to Edwin Sifuna. And I think I've explained to them a lot. I do not want to talk about the other side. Let me remain focused. All I can say is that we are very much focused on a bigger agenda that is going to address people's issues, wananchi issues. We have issues of corruption, we have issues of unemployment, we have the issues of public debt, we have issues of cost of living. Let those be issues that are going to define. I do not care anymore about what Linda Ground is doing. Let them do their stuff, and we are going to do our stuff. I think there is a lot of untruth outside there. The fact is that governors are accountable. They must be accountable for the funds that they receive. We appropriate money to the counties. Every year, we process a lot of funds to our counties. And when we send that money to our counties, governors feel good. Governors talk good about Senate. But when we ask for accountability, they should also be ready to be accountable. And accountability is asking them how they have spent the money. And we are asking this question not arbitrarily. We ask these questions based on the report of the Auditor General. So when we ask you to appear before us to respond to the issues contained in the Auditor General's report, and you do not come, after several attempts, you do not come, what happens? We summon you. When we summon you and you don't come, what follows, as per the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act, is that a warrant of arrest is issued. And if a warrant of arrest is issued and you do not present yourself to the police have a responsibility to arrest that government.
Mwancho murigeria hasorobo turu no tokwiro mutumoko mutangani iga se mesema yakuru ensoko ensa emo kurenanda sensemo yakabera sike giteri gitambe tuganda gusanga mange kurenda begongo konyuro butuko bwarero ntubwate nkwana ya bene asetura chigo sangana bagani baito babere ase studio abaraya basae mugire Joseph Mayaka oyore neganga yokori kergo kyo MCA kurwa se wodi ya Kegogi bunge ya Kitutu Church North County ya Kisii na boigo Danfas Ugaro Mogesi oyina yore neganga yokori kergo kyo MCA se wodi ya Nyakoe kutoka nsemo bunge ya Kitutu Church South County ya Kisii tukwandre siasa noburai abo abasae ba rigetiego esoya na boigo umurobirio hobeire gokorenta hange umurobirio yokorenta libererase igati yabasae umanyikaine una tuko kadi tonyara ko batoko borania tuko kadi gabasae bagenda tekuraria ngira cheko mokonya umusae na boigo umwananchi o kawaida toskara kurananda se kageteri getambe.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni Nensoko TV tochikumirana ikeraritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Nensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige kuira ekerengo gete kyubo balimo kibirengeralyo eliokolenta amontelyo ya magenderero asama tukabusyo nakyoge kogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino aso musimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanerera omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba niga alenge omuseneta omuchorwa weki amagia serikali gya UDA kurende agesokya kubwatisia omurwandereria wekerugo kyoborai bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe keroge kiaye kyobo seneta asogotenena no mugusio mwabo no nyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okuruanirira abasubati uwekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba byobochenu nabo igo kuruania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aburirio mugusi komochora buna women representative we county ya Kisii asobochori wo mwakugocha elio aire obobalimo bwaye alia sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetaga tumusubati omuremu oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obobalimo bo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omuremu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku uyo nere Gloria oruoba ebalimo yagusi
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Nsoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegemana inde aso twanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambiye.
Nsoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari inche Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general asokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengane
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matojo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kuru binto kuru mekitapa kerege lakini nkoira ni maega kego umuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri uregene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwage acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739 697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Eye Nsoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho muligeria sense mega ya kabere mesema yakuru Nsoko ensa emo biyamona soko gandra gusangana into nabono togosika bosia sorobotiro kubwatia muraibo barabanga sebunge ya Senate ibigoro moga umaseneta we county ya Kericho mheshimiwa Aaron Cheriot niko bona ayesokire no komochige tambokero kia governor komochia gutaikirana bose obwechi committee chebunge ya Senate asekeria tabiringa nigere mamenchaneri chiko Cheriot niko bona ruroko bolia gocha saba governor abo baina kinkobeka bare miroberio na guikirana bose obwe Senate eliokoera hemiroberio botumeki bwechi besa chaba na inchi onyataribo bachikwemokeriwe gatambokere getindikeri chiko
Tendeno Sogate sisi kama county assembly ya Kericho tulipitisha supplementary budget ya 10 billion, lakini mheshimiwa senator, ile kitu yenye inatusumbua tu peke yake ni kwa sababu gani mheshimiwa gavana aliitwa huko juu na hakwenda kujibu hii maswali. Mimi niliitwa kama speaker na nilienda.
Accountability is non-negotiable. I want to tell the Council of Governors, wale ambao walikataa kukuja katika bunge la Senate, sheria itachukua mkondo wake. Jana nimemuona chairperson yule governor wa Wajir akizungumzia maneno, anatuambia ati sijui magavana wamekata. Mambo ya governors kuja katika bunge la Senate ni maneno ya katiba.
Toskabosio mwancho murigaria maigayo mugavana we county ya Samburu mheshimiwa Lati Lelelit go cherwa negatia ba senator asamagacho ye bunge yo aigaso mucho Nairobi matuko amakego aetire nigo bona bamenyi kurase county ya Samburu bagendrere gwesokia na gukora ukurobekana seba mochire getambo kerekyo na gusaba abagavana hasiba ono batebiru mugavana bo Samburu hanyara ko baga kwegwa amaskani hasiba mochire gati yabarai bari getie komocherro.
Mimi ni mkazi wa Achas Post, Waso Division, Samburu County. Siku hii ya leo tuko hapa haswa kusimama kidete kuona kwamba lazima tumsupport governor wetu ambaye alikuwa harassed pale nje ya Senate. Na sio ndani ya Senate, ilikuwa ni nje ya Senate. Tunasoma statement ambaye watu wa Wazo tumeketi chini tukaonelea ni kwamba ni lazima tuelezee Sifuna na timu yake na senators wengine. Nikianza, we the people of Waso Ward are deeply concerned by how His Excellency Governor Lati Lelelit was handled at the Senate. The Senate is a respected institution, and its role is clearly outlined in the Constitution of Kenya. With that comes the responsibility to treat leaders with dignity and fairness, no matter the situation. We respectively call upon the leadership of the Senate, Senator Edwin Sifuna. I say again, Senator Edwin Sifuna and all other concerned senators to show respect to His Excellency Lati Lelelit as the duly elected governor by the people of the great county of Samburu. The people of Samburu stood firmly behind His Excellency William Samoei Ruto and Governor Lati, and that support remains strong as we look ahead to 2027. The idea of one term does not reflect the voice of our people. Two term is our focus, and Samburu is fully part of it. Let's keep our politics respectful and focused on serving the people. Even in disagreement, respect must come first.
Ni kaunti kubwa na iko na watu yake. Kitu ameshangaza ile kitu ya juice yamefanyika kutoka Nairobi. Kenya ni kaunti 47. Kenya ni kaunti 47. Na sisi kila watu nachagua mtu na president wa kaunti. Kwa sababu bila mimi naelewa au mimi bado shika labda mimi nimeshika kwa mistake, governor ndio president ya kaunti. Nachangaa kwa ndugu zangu Sifuna na kuja kushika governor Lati Lelelit kama yeye ni polisi.
Toskabosio mwancho morigeria mwabiso monene ase department ya immigration heyore inse wizara yoborendi boime yense Belio Kipsang igaso kirina goteba emeroberio yokwenekia abananchi abo ngweriki abananchi ase chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya ngweriki bare konyora ebibande abo kwenekia ngweriki bare gochikoba ba kichikura bosio bochoryo bono mwaka bwechirubere 2052 Kipsang ni gatebire muroberio iga nigorigetia kweneki wa chinsemo ao asate biro kubwatira negatia serikali nene nabo igo abagambia ase binyoro ao nakyo kyanekire hogwikirana gwa senchire ngia kumuroberio iga.
We are all aware vetting was quite a discriminatory process of issuing documents, and therefore the president ceased the vetting, and when that was ceased, then we developed new guidelines where the chiefs, now we became the primary people to identify those who would be able to be issued with our critical documents. So we are here essentially to be able to bring the chiefs to speed, be able to make them appreciate the guidelines and build confidence on them that as they do this exercise, that they are doing what is expected of them. The other thing that we have been doing across the country is what we are calling mobile registration, and generally enhanced registration across the country. this efficiency has made it easy for Kenyans to acquire these critical documents. In this financial year, since the beginning of the year up to the month of February, we've registered more than almost 1.7 million Kenyans within that time. And we continue to register. We believe that by the end of this financial year, we should be able to have a target of up to 3 million Kenyans in getting IDs. We've also been focusing on hard-to-reach counties, mainly those counties which were affected by vetting. There are 15 of these counties. From Tuesday after Easter, we shall be in Isiolo, Marsabit, and Samburu, because these are counties which for a very long time they were exposed and disadvantaged, and we would want to bring them to speed with other parts of the country.
Mwaziri hotendrete Chi-Cooperative na Chisako na baigo ebiasare bikebi ko Mheshimiwa Wycliffe Oparanya niko bona ruro bosemi yago chia sabasae baine kebuna nkwebe kabaramo na kubeka emiroberi yogo eso ya se Chisako eriko gandaria se amagimabo Oparanya niko bono atebire serikali yensi ya Kenya niko bona yabikire emiroberi yogo sira Chisako erichikwane kyabuna nko bakoja chire abana inchi anemo na basae.
Mwaka huu seedlings ambayo inatoka kwa KPCU itakuwa free kwa wakulima, lakini wawe wale wakulima ambao wako katika cooperative. Ni lazima uwe kwa cooperative. Any request ya seedling mpaka ipitie kwa cooperative, na hizo seedling zitakuja kwa hiyo cooperative. Wewe mwenyewe ujitambulishe huko na uchukue hizo seedlings. Na pia uwe mtu ambao umechimba mashimo, mulete vijana katika coffee farming, kwa sababu ina pesa. Huyo kijana cha kuondokea wakati utampa ile chama. Umeona hapa chairman wengi unaona ni wazee ambao wako over 50 years. Vijana wako wapi? Wamama wako wapi? Na wamama ndio wanaangalia hii mambo kila saa. Wewe unaenda kuradarada. Wamama wako hapa, mpaka kuweke wamama wako wakuwe katika lije ya mambo ya kahawa. Ndio kwa sababu the new cooperative bill inasema haya mambo.
Sisi tunajivunia kwamba eneo ambalo imekuwa na shida ya ufugaji, ambapo ni ile constituency ya Tiaty, imejiunga na kupanda kahawa, na tunapoongea we are in the process of transforming that county to be sub-county, to be a coffee producing sub-county. Na waziri kupitia PS wako na CEO wa New KPCU, tunaomba tupatie wakulima wa eneo hilo miche mingi ili wapate kuongeza acreage ambayo wamepanda katika county hii yetu ya Baringo.
Mancho murigeria nara yokurwa semesa yama yakurwa ensoko ensa emo butko bwarero kurende toskara se ensemo ya kabere kurenande nabageni bane ase studio Mugire Joseph Mayakana chikao kumanya ureneganga yokurie kergo kyobo MCA se wodi ya Kegogi naboigo Danvas Ogaro Mogesi nero ureneganga yokurie kergo kyobo MCA ase wodi ya Nyakoe tochikosanga na kumurekera manga yuarengete oburai bwa siasa na nene mono ase abasae toskare kurenanda ase kagitari getame.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Magega ya televisioni Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyori baga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke aseliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 666662